Hello friends, we have this amazing product from Lapicart, MacBook M2 Pro. Let's unbox this. बड़ा अच्छे से इन्होंने हमको कार्डबोर्ड बैग में MacBook दिया है, and this is how they are packed. So काफी अच्छे से इन्होंने कुशनिंग दिया है हमको यहाँ पे, and this is the. So we have got all these things post unboxing. So we have got one MacBook, space gray color, looking gorgeous, and we have one charger obviously. I think 67 watt का चार्जर दिया गया है हमको इसके साथ में. Type-C cable, silver, and let me see the volt. 67 volt charger, Type-C charger, white color, looks good. And we have one manual from Apple. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this is a basic manual that we get. Oh, Apple ने stickers देना start कर दिया, आपसे लगता है. See, we have got these Apple stickers, and now let us open this and see what are we getting. Oh, Apple का theme, and we have got silver kind of skin.